Welcome to the Critical Productions, the place where technology meets the future. If you've been following the pulse of innovation, you've probably heard about one of the most fascinating fields, taking the world by storm, generative AI. Today, we're diving into the depths of this cutting-edge technology, so hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell to stay updated with the wonders of tech. Let's get started. Imagine a world where machines don't just learn, they create. This is not science fiction, it's the reality we're building with generative artificial intelligence. But what exactly is generative AI? At its core, generative AI refers to algorithms that can learn from a set of data and then generate new, original content that's similar yet unique. We're talking about computers designing art, composing music, writing stories, and even generating realistic video footage. The magic behind this revolution is a blend of neural networks known as generative adversarial networks, or GANs for short. These are not your average algorithms. GANs involve two neural networks, the creator and the critic. The creator generates new data while the critic evaluates it. Together, they refine the output in a creative dance until the critic can't distinguish the generated data from the real deal. But generative AI isn't just for show, it has practical applications that reshape industries. In the fashion world, AI algorithms are designing new apparel. In healthcare, they're creating synthetic data for research while preserving patient privacy. The potential doesn't stop there. With advancements in models like OpenAI's DALL-E, we now have AI that can conjure up any image you can describe with words. Want to see a two-headed flamingo playing chess in space? You got it. This isn't just a tool for artists, it's a new canvas for creativity. And what about the written word? Language models like GPT-3 are writing poems, coding programs, and drafting legal documents. They're getting so good that distinguishing between text written by a human and that penned by AI is becoming increasingly challenging. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. As generative AI advances, we're also grappling with critical ethical questions. How do we ensure the responsible use of this technology? What about copyright in the age of AI-generated content? These are critical conversations that we need to have as a society. As we stand on the brink of this new era, one thing is clear: the creative potential of AI is boundless. From the pixels on a screen to the fabric of our reality, generative AI is not just transforming what we make, it's changing how we think about creation itself. So, where do we go from here? The future is unwritten, and with AI, we're holding the pen. As we continue to explore the possibilities of generative AI, stay tuned to the Critical Productions, where we'll keep you updated on the latest developments.